Hi there, thanks for considering Arise Real Estate Management. If you're watching this, you're probably in the market for searching for a property management company, and we'd love to tell you a little bit about what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. Ultimately, the thing that sets us apart is really just focusing on the ultimate results. Some of those things include focusing on high quality tenants, and we don't want to just get a tenant into your property. We want to get the best tenant. We want to do it in a timely manner and someone that's really going to take care of your rental property and your investment. We're also going to be doing overseeing the maintenance of your property, the leasing, the evaluations, and understanding where the market's at, and just advising you when things change. So some of the reasons you might consider Arise Real Estate Management is consistent rent, a lower vacancy, compliance with the laws. Oregon Landlord-Tenant laws have a lot of ins and outs, and they're constantly changing, and we stay up with all of those. We offer accurate accounting and really communication. If you want a property management company that's going to answer the phone when you call, return voicemails when we're not able to get to the phone, and respond to emails and communication with your tenant, then we're going to be a great option for you. So we're going to be really responsive when the tenants have an issue. We're going to respond real quickly to them. When the market shifts or the economy shifts, we're going to let you know. We're going to advise you. We really handle everything from beginning to end, top to bottom, in a compliant manner. Appreciate you taking the time to consider Arise Real Estate Management. We'd love to earn your business. And again, my name's Mindell Gosnell. I'm here with the other owner, Jesse Barnes. Any words, Jesse?
Yeah, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business and share more about our processes and systems more in depth. And so again, if you're watching this, you probably already reached out to us and know a little bit about us. We encourage you to check out our website to get a little bit more information about who we are and how we manage and why we do what we do. So feel free to give us a call.